Today, we're gonna be making a sweet and savory 3-ingredient dip with the humble beet. The first thing we're gonna do is peel and chop our beet. And I just chop into about like 10 wedges, we'll say, 8 to 10 wedges. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is char the heck out of this little beet to give it a nice smoky flavor and to soften it so we can blend it with our dairy. So go ahead, toss them in a bowl, and then take any kind of oil really. I'm using olive oil. You can use plain vegetable oil, canola oil, bacon grease for all I care. Just give them a little drizzle, give them a little toss. Make sure if there's any sticking together, you break them up. So everybody gets a little love, and then, boop, just want a little salt. You can roast your beets in the oven at like 425 for 45 minutes to an hour, or you can speed it up with the air fryer at 400 for 25 to 30 minutes. Once your beets are completely charred, like almost burnt, you're gonna let them cool completely. Then you're gonna combine them with 1 to 2 ounces of goat cheese and half a cup of some sort of cultured dairy product. You can use sour cream, you can use Greek yogurt, or you can use labna, which tastes like a combination of sour cream and Greek yogurt. So the great thing about this dip is it hits basically all the flavors on your palate. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's salty, it's a little bitter, it's creamy, it's rich. It's one of my favorite dips to make and serve. I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to check out Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.